Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A1 3-door S line available in a Daytona grey. The car's got the daytime running lights and also the lower front fog lights. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, the car's got the 17-inch twin-spoke design alloy wheels. And as you can see, we've got the S line on the front wings. Going to the rear of the vehicle, very sporty design with the 3 doors on this car, with the twin polished chrome exhaust at the rear. And this is the TFSI petrol. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty, and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the electronic windows along with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, S-line entry door strips, with the front S-line sport seats, the S-line embossed logo, with the leather bolsters and also the cloth inserts. The car's got the light and rain sensors, which includes the automatic headlights and automatic wipers, along with the 3-spoke multifunctional S-line steering wheel with the perforated leather on the outside, 6-speed manual gearbox, and also Audi's MMI display with DAB radio. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.